Welcome to Life in My Greenhouse. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious stuffed French toast bouquet. We'll use a chocolate and cheesecake filling to make it extra special. This recipe is perfect for a special occasion or when you want to impress your loved ones. So, without further ado, let's get into the kitchen. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 3 to 6 bread slices. This recipe makes 1 or 2 bouquets. You'll also need eggs, strawberries, half and half or heavy cream, vanilla, cinnamon, powdered sugar, chocolate spread, and bananas, if you'd like a little variety. We'll start by making our cream cheese filling. To a bowl, add 4 ounces of very soft cream cheese, plus 3 tablespoons of icing sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix until completely combined. Then, cut some strawberries into very small pieces. You can also use bananas as a filling if you choose. At this point, preheat your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, 140 degrees Celsius. Now for our roses. Use your knife to make angular cuts while turning your strawberry around. Make 7 strawberries for each bouquet. Add additional strawberries as a garnish if you wish. The strawberries require a little attention to detail, but don't worry, they don't have to be perfect. At the end of the day, it's the thoughtfulness that counts. I'm confident that your loved one will appreciate your efforts. When you get to the middle, use a circular cut to remove the small center. Use your knife to gently spread the petals. Continue until all your roses are complete. Let's move on to our egg batter. In a shallow bowl, whisk together 2 eggs, a 1/4 cup of half and half or heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of honey, a pinch of salt, a splash of vanilla, and a dash of cinnamon. Give it a vigorous whisk until it's completely combined. We'll set that aside as we prepare our bread. Take a slice of bread and roll it out until it's completely flat. Then go ahead and trim away the ends. This will allow a more sturdy base. Use 3 slices of bread for 1 bouquet. Spread a generous amount of your filling on one side of the bread and cut it in half. Place thinly sliced strawberries at the edge of the bread and roll tightly. I will also do a version with hazelnut and bananas. You can prep this ahead and refrigerate if you're pressed for time on your special morning. Next, using a tongue, dip the stuffed sandwich into the egg mixture, making sure it's completely coated. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and melt a knob of butter. Place the stuffed bread onto the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown and crispy. Remember to turn all the sides. Once you're all done, place in your oven for 10 minutes. This will allow your toast to puff up. Allow them to cool to the touch. As we assemble our bouquet, place a bit of filling on the plate for stability. Place 1 stick in the center and then assemble by adding the additional sticks around the middle. I find that using uneven numbers works best. You can make 1 large or 2 small bouquets. If you're worried about those roses falling off, you can use a toothpick to keep them sturdy. We will be using some shoelace candy to tie it all together. You can also use Twizzler. Use your filling as your glue to stick the strawberries on top. Then go ahead and gently tie your shoelace candy around your bouquet. To finish it off, dust some powdered sugar on top of the French toast strawberry bouquet for an extra touch of sweetness. Drizzle with maple syrup and sprinkle with icing sugar. And just like that, you made this delicious edible stuffed French toast bouquet. If you like what you see, hit the thumbs up. This delicious stuffed French toast strawberry bouquet, it's not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a visually stunning creation. Your loved ones will be amazed by this unique breakfast. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes like these. Be sure to hit the bell notification so you'll be the first to receive our videos. As a thank you in advance for watching, I've provided you with the list of ingredients right here. If you're a new subscriber and appreciate love, please type love in the comments so I can personally welcome you to the greenhouse family. Take care of yourself, precious one, and remember, the grass is always greener where you water it. See you next time.